gameplay video. Let's watch some small video, and so that we can comment. Let's watch this video. Some few minutes. Let's watch this video.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us.
Don't eat unripe fruit. Go and ask your grandfather.
Hey! I hear me to me, Bami.
You were not informed too. Eh?
I am in pain.
What?
I am in severe pain.
Continue.
But since I was born to this earth, I haven't slept with any woman before. I am purely virgin.
Photo. Not in juju be that.
No problem. God will see us. There is God. There is God in everything we are doing.
I could have killed a lot.
What?
I'm telling you. Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
What?
Like I'll kill. Like I'll kill. Nobody will. I'll kill. Oh Lord.
Apostle, be aware of this. I will tell Apostle about this when you want to use your head for her. But do men is the open.
In the beginning, in the beginning,
Jesus.
yeah, in the beginning, in the beginning.
In case of country we talk like this, I would ask myself whether you be crazy.
We must learn a lesson.
Only you can come. Okay.
Chidiadi. This man.
16 billion they couldn't generate enough kilowatts energy to make a popcorn.
Wristwatch and cup of tea, oh. Funny people. Wristwatch and cup of tea. He went to prison.
God have mercy upon us.
Oh, Mumu know too much. Oh, Mumu know too much. 70 years old man, oh. Then Tiagas, then Tiagas, fell, he fended, he passed out.
Jay, help us, help us. There is God. There is God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh.
Jesus, you know what I need to tell you? You will end up in McDonald's.
Will you keep quiet?
You will end up in McDonald's. That's what I meant, and I really meant what I'm saying.
Charlie boy, now your Mumu na eat too much. You be Mumu. You think say you dey wise? You are a Mumu man. You are a Mumu man.
Chai, there is God, oh.
They say our Mumu done too much, our Mumu done too much. You be Mumu, you call another Mumu. They never show you say you Mumu.
Jesus is Lord.
How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you?
Oh my days, irú ọmọ mo wá nítorí Ọlọ́run. Mo lè jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ mi o.
There is God, oh, there is God, oh, there is God, oh.
Now, even road to go to Akenode, you want to please others and displease us and displease yourself. Now they never leave you. They have left you behind.
There is God, oh. There is God.
They tell me, sorry, oh, sorry, oh.
Viewers, apologize and continue.